Hello dear student, I am Varun Kumar Nishad from LPA Public School. Today we will discuss about the water cycle, and in previous video we have discussed about why is water necessary and what is the source of water and distribution of water. After that the topic will give in to you dear student, that is the water cycle. Now what is the water cycle? How the cycle of water get completed in our environment? Dear student, we are take the water from the groundwater, which is the 3% of the 100% of the whole amount of water which are occupied on our earth. So how the cycle of water get completed? Very basic things that we see and already discussed in your previous chapter, that is changes around us are changing in materials or states of materials. Suppose if you have ice, and when the ice is come in category of come in contact of heat. अगर आइस जो है वो हीट के कांटेक्ट में आता है और जैसे ही हीट के कांटेक्ट में आएगा वो इट स्टार्ट मेल्ट, वो क्या होगा, मेल्ट करने लगेगा और मेल्ट करके क्या हो जाएगा, वाटर हो जाएगा. And if the water get heated at certain temperature, that is 100 degree centigrade, ये कितने पे आएगा? It will consider at 0 degree centigrade, and it will consider as 100 degree centigrade. तो अगला कंसिडरेशन क्या होगा, वो हो जाएगा गैस. वो गैस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. सिंपली सिंपल अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर, ये जो वाटर है बहुत ही सिंपल वे में ये वाटर कंप्लीटली आइस था और आइस 0 डिग्री के कांटेक्ट में आया और वो पूरा कन्वर्ट हो गया वाटर में, एंड वाटर को 100% हीट किया गया और वो वाटर किस में कन्वर्ट हो गया, गैस में. बट आइस कौन से स्टेट है, तो आइस जो है वो सॉलिड स्टेट है. वाटर का सॉलिड स्टेट. और ये वाटर यहाँ पे आइस मेल्ट हुआ, यहाँ पे लिक्विड हो गया, तो यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, इसको क्या नाम देंगे, इट विल बी कॉल्ड एज लिक्विड. बट गैस, यहां पे गैस हो गया, गैस को क्या बोलेंगे, वाटर. Simply, the cycle of water is completed in our environment by this very important process. Important process. One of the most important things that is changes occur, this process is called as, first is melting of ice and converting into the water. It is called as fusion. It is called as fusion or melting. Now water get converted into gas is called evaporation. is called evaporation. Evaporation is a process by which water get converted into water vapor or liquid is converted into gas simply. So conversion of ice into water by melting process or fusion process, but water is converted into gas by the evaporation process. So this is very simple changes occur during the basically the completing of cycle. Now, can we see the another changes? Yes, it will see. Now we can see here gas is converted into water. Gas is converted into water by condensation. गैस को हम ठंडा करके उसको हम वाटर बना सकते हैं. गैस को कोल्ड करके यहाँ पे इजीली जो है वाटर में कन्वर्ट किया जा सकता है. बट क्या ये प्रोसेस जो वाटर है वाटर को रिवर्स करके आइस बना सकते हैं? यस, इट इज पॉसिबल. वाटर को हम आइस में दोबारा कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. इस प्रोसेस को बोलते हैं फ्रीजिंग. दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज फ्रीजिंग. This process is called as freezing. So dear student, it's about the process, how the ice is converted into water and how the water is converted into gas. Similarly, how the gas is converted into water and how the water is converted into ice. These are the basic changes occur during the time of or completing of water cycle. So, dear student, there is a problem in the room because the electricity is cut it out. That's why. So, but things are very clear due to the extra reflection. Now you can see, and please come to the next point, exactly how the water cycle is completed. Very easy way we can understand how the water cycle is completed. Now suppose that this is a land. Suppose this is a land. This is a land. And here is various plants and house bodies and localities there is a plants suppose that dear student this is the land, the whole earth, and here is water. Now dear students, how this process is occur? Suppose that this is the ocean. This is the ocean. Or any other water body will be considered. Here the water gate to the sky. How it happened? How the water gate goes to oceans? This is a liquid. The liquid did not able to didn't go to rise into the sky. Liquid get changed to the gaseous by the process of evaporation. By the process of evaporation. Here, the stomata release water vapor. Here, the stomata release water vapor. And here, the water droplets are come and get condensed. And finally the rain start. Finally, the rain becomes start. So the gas is converted into liquid. Liquids. Gases converted into liquids by process of condensation, or it will be called as condensation. The process will be called as condensation. And here is also evaporation takes place from the ground, and also the clouds are formed in the sky, and the condensation process is occur. Condensation is occur and precipitation is occur. Similarly, there is the evaporation and condensation is play important role to maintain the water cycle. And one of the most important, another, that is plant. Dear friend, please know about how the plant are necessary, how the plant help to complete the water cycle from the land. You must be know how it happened. It will be discussed in the next video. Thank you.